to transfer XRP to Stake in 2025. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure you have a compatible XRP wallet that supports transfers to external platforms. Popular options include Ledger, Trezor, and MetaMask. Next, create an account on the Stake platform if you haven't already. This typically involves providing some personal information and verifying your identity to comply with regulatory requirements. Once your account is set up, navigate to the deposit section of the Stake platform and select XRP as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You will be provided with a unique XRP deposit address. Copy this address carefully and proceed to your XRP wallet. Initiate a new transaction. Paste the Stake deposit address and specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Before confirming the transaction, double-check the address and amount to avoid any errors. Also, be aware of the minimum deposit requirements and any applicable transfer fees. After confirming the transaction, the XRP will be transferred from your wallet to the Stake platform. This process usually takes a few minutes to complete, depending on the network congestion and the speed of the transaction. Once the transfer is successful, you can view your XRP balance on the Stake platform and start using it for staking or other available services. It is essential to keep your wallet and account information secure to protect your assets. Finally, always stay informed about any updates or changes to the transfer process and follow best practices for secure cryptocurrency transactions. By following these steps, you can safely transfer your XRP to the Stake platform in 2025 and start exploring the available opportunities.